Hello, Martin. This is the shot. Choose one. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Sergey Tarnovsky or Andrei Bart?
Tarnowski.
Tarnovsky or Zakhar Petrov?
Tarnowski again.
Sergey Tarnovsky or Sebastian Brendel?
Of course, Tarnowski.
Sergey Tarnovsky or Vadim Minkov?
Tarnowski.
Sergey Tarnovsky or Andreas Dittmer?
Ditma.
Andreas Dittmer or David Kahl?
Ditma.
Andreas Dittmer or Maxim Chirila?
Ditma.
Andreas Dittmer or Isaquias Queiroz, Brazilian?
That's 50-50. I'll
But you
support,
choose?
Ditma.
Okay, Andreas Dittmer or Maxim Fuchsa?
Whew. Ditma.
Okay, thank you. You choose is Dittmer.